Hi guys, Raj here from Trading College. Just doing a quick video about where we kind of feel like the markets are at the moment and what we're looking for. And this one's specifically going to be talking about the indices only. So we're just talking about stocks, okay? So just having a look at where we are on the Nasdaq. Nasdaq was obviously one of the ones that fell the most. And you can see that we're having a couple of retracement days now. The market's going up. We've got a green PTS with a couple of green storyteller bars now. That doesn't mean that we're just going to go directly long from here because we are still in a downtrend. The market's making lower highs and lower lows. If you were a day trader trading a short-term chart, yeah, I wouldn't really begrudge you or think anything if you were going to go long. But we've got these quite big resistance levels here. So this one is a very congested level. You can see we've had a couple of bounces of support here. It was broken through and used as resistance here. And I really just am going to be looking at that next week. And also, you never know, but I doubt this will break through next week. But like I said, you never know. If the market comes up here, I'll be looking to see how it goes here. But really, we're looking for these color changes from green to red, back to this in line with this trend. Look at this. All the green ones don't go up too far at the moment because we're in a downtrend, barring this one. But normally the red ones, you can see they travel a little bit further and you get a little bit more money out of these moves. So that's what I'll be looking for as we come across from here. Over to Europe, and let's look at the DAX. So again, the stock market in Europe is performing much worse than it is in the States. You can see this, we're still red, we're still moving down. So on the shorter term time frames, the red moves are still looking pretty good for us here. So we're still looking for some more downside movement. Again, we might get a move up, but look at where this support level, it's much closer. Sorry, the resistance level is much closer. We've already recently had a bounce off it, and I'm not really going to be looking for shorts until we get up to there and turn around. If we break through there, I'm just literally going to ignore it. That's the plan here. Okay, with the FTSE 100 in the UK, have a look at this. What a strong pullback. We are up 2.5% here. You know, this looks like it could be pretty dangerous, but again, we are right near resistance levels. We need to see how the market reacts around that level and beyond that, this level up here. Okay, so we've got two very, very firm levels. We need to see. It's rejected 7,000 to the downside. We could get a green PTS. We could get green dot green here, but obviously this trend is a little bit more sideways. Okay. Now, I just want to show you, it doesn't mean that we're going to trade them, but I just want to show you what's going on in the Asian indices. You can see Japan, that's already kicked off with this move. Looks like we're going to get back above this trend line, this previous trend line. It's changed now because we broke through it, but looks like we are going to get back above that. And you can see we're green dot green with a green PTS here. Again, it is pretty depressed and it is pretty moving pretty much lower, pretty good downtrend. And look at this. This is the ASX in Australia. This one is looking really bearish, and we have some very, very big resistance levels again, all in and around that area at 6,800. So that's what I'm going to be looking for next week. Next week, I'm not looking for these longs. Yes, I know the market has turned around, and again, I'm just going to show you the S&P 500. I know the market has turned around today, and we've had a bit of these moves, but look at how I've mapped this out. I'm really looking for the shorts around these levels. It's good we're getting back up here because it could give us opportunities for shorts. I'm going to draw in these levels just to let you know where they are on the S&P 500 as well. These type of levels up here. I want to see the market move back in there so I can get a good price for a short, good rejection for a short. Let's see what happens next week. If you've got any questions, please message in. If not, have a good trading week. Cheers.